Don't you know what's happening in this apartment? Everybody snores.
Snoring?
Yes.
Let me find the doctor. I found him. Yeah, I got it.
Hi.
You are here.
Yes. So, Leah, what's the problem?
Ladies cannot sleep
Why?
because of snoring.
So, how many are snoring?
2.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
I would like you to solve the problem of snoring.
That's why Dr. Buteko is here. This is my specialty. So, not to worry. Once I examine them, then I can prescribe the necessary problem-solving solutions.
Now, let's go.
Okay. So, gentlemen, I've had time to examine you both. So, number one, you're overbreathing. So, you must reduce your breathing. So, I have here a special harmless micropore tape. Before you sleep, you have to put this on. You can tape it, that's called full tape, or you can tape, if you're a bit scared, you can do it halfway. Okay? You put, that means this is fixed. Which means, my friends, you will reduce your breathing. And when you reduce your breathing, more carbon dioxide is increased in your body. Remember, carbon dioxide is not a bad gas. Carbon dioxide makes you sleep well. After that, you will sleep like a baby. No more snoring, and your health will get better. Okay? Let's do it.